What up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo bringing you another mail day. This one's a little different. I've been waiting for these CDs to come in for about 4 or 5 days now, and I switched out the envelope that came in because they were a headache to take out. So, got me a cool Ouija Macc sticker, the baby Ouija Macc. A little Ouija Macc with the Hatchet Man pointer for the Ouija board sticker. Now, these CDs have been out for a while. I know that. Trashfire Deluxe and the Waterdamage. And to show you, I'm on my iTunes and I've had these albums, Trashfire, Waterdamage mixtape. Now, I was pretty excited for these albums when they came out. So if you look at this one that Ouija Macc just released, it's the Trashfire Deluxe Edition, but it's like in a CD single slip instead of a CD case. Now there is no track listing, so if you're a new Ouija Macc fan, it makes it hard to figure out the names of the CDs or the songs on the CD. Here's what this CD looks like. Sorry for all the movement and everything. Now that's pretty cool. But again, there's no CD track listing. But lo and behold, like I said, I've had this album. So I'll show you my track listing that I have. And if you look at this album cover, what I custom made that myself. I put that together myself. That's my work. And I took the album covers like this and like this, because that's what they are. And I put them side by side and I made it look pretty legit like that. So that's my own work. I thought that would have been cool if Ouija Macc would have done a CD cover like that with a track listing for this one and Waterdamage. So Trashfire, I have it labeled as rap. 2017 is the year. Liat featuring your mom. Fuck me over. Talk about it. Turn out the lights. Hair Shoddy featuring your Uncle Gary. Piece of Shit featuring Crybaby Ouija. Spill the Sauce. Trashfire. Demon Realm Kubo 1700. Stick and Move. Spider-Man Kush. Chloe Crane featuring a Toss Daco. Flex Serps featuring Iceberg, Black, Loki, and Holden. So the album is 36 minutes long. Again, I was waiting for this CD for a long time. Now you have the Waterdamage mixtape that was coming out at the Gathering of the Juggalos. I was pretty excited for that. And then you have the other Waterdamage bonus songs. And again, there's no track listing. But here is what the CD looks like. Some pretty cool CD artwork there. And we'll go here. I have it labeled as Waterdamage Mixtape 2018. Now, I didn't do the custom. I should have. I'm still thinking about doing it. But here is my track listing. So you got Spaghetti Ready, Bigot Basher featuring Roz Dillums, Majesty, Bonesaw featuring Death Plus, Drunk Dial featuring Picture Plane, Murder Vision, Say My Name Freestyle, Vanish featuring Big Hoodoo, Nardwar Glock, Carbon Fiber Coffin featuring Zini, Electric Wilbur Loves You, Slipknot Freestyle, Swag featuring Cold Blooded, Bitch Down Freestyle, Dead Body Man 3, Dusty Finger Hut. Now, this cuss words I added myself. I edited this mixtape, but I didn't have cuss words because I wasn't able to get my hands on that CD that was released by ICP. So what I did was I downloaded cuss words, I edited it, and I made the volume sound better. And I said, well, why not add it to Waterdamage mixtape? So this cuss words track will not be on this Waterdamage if you happen to order it. Just a disclaimer, it will not be on there, just so you're aware. Now, just to show you, I support Ouija Macc. I ordered Gutter Water. I ordered Resistance, The Walk to Wasteland. There's my Trashfire, there's my Waterdamage, and then I ordered 50 Shades of Dead mixtape. Now, when Trashfire and Waterdamage was released, I didn't order them right away. I'm kind of glad I didn't, because on my Twitter page, I saw a lot of complaints that the CDs were just put on burnt CDs, and there wasn't a whole lot that went into the CDs for the price. Again, these CDs I put together, Trashfire and Waterdamage. I put them together long before Ouija Macc released the deluxe versions. And these CDs right here, I put together myself. I edited all the songs and I combined both the Waterdamage and the backwards Waterdamage and the Trashfire and the backwards Trashfire CDs myself. And I put them on my playlist as one CD because they could all fit on one CD, obviously. So then, lo and behold, Ouija Macc puts them both out as deluxe versions, which I think is pretty cool. And he brought his A game on the CD cover, the CD artwork. You know, a lot of fans were upset when they paid the price when they first came out because they were just burnable CDs. But this right here, I tell you, I think is worth it. You know, look at that cool artwork. You know, it's some cool. He put some work into these deluxe versions, and I was very happy to order them just to say I have them added to my CD collection and to show my support for Ouija Macc. Now here's his partner, Starflux. Well, not partner. He's rap partner. Somebody who he rapped with for this mixtape. It's Starfox, LaFleur, and Ouija Macc. The mixtape is called Irregular. Gas in my blunt. Whatchamacallit on that block. What the fuck you mean? 2. No Fake Love 3, Hiding in the Bushes, which there was a music video for, which was cool because of the way they promoted it. They made it look like Ouija got arrested while shooting the video. Iguana Shit, and Spaceship. 8 tracks for a mixtape. When I finally got a little bit of extra money, I ordered it. I've been waiting on for a while to order these. I just had no money. Now, this one I was excited about. The Whoop Whoop single plus 2 bonus never released songs. So, you have Whoop Whoop. There's the single, Whoop Whoop. And then you have Juggalo Life, which everyone loved when he put that out. Married to the Hatchet. These are the 3 songs on this single. And there's the CD, it's just like the cover. Same thing, Irregular, looks just like the cover. Now, my big pet peeve with Ouija Macc for a lot of his music is the songs are so damn short. A lot of his music is so damn short. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, you know. Two minutes, not even 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, not even, look at that, not even 2 minutes. So, here's his Wasteland Resistance, Walk to the Wasteland. Look at 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2.5, 2 minutes, 1:46. I'm an old school juggalo. I come from CDs and music. That's an intro, I understand that one, but look, not 3 minutes, not 3 minutes, not even 2 minutes. Again, I support Ouija Macc. Here's his albums that I have on my computer for my iTunes or whatever you want to call it. And this right here is my CD order to show and prove that I support Ouija Macc. I spent $70 on these CDs, these 4. And this one right here was just a single with 2 extra songs. This one was a mixtape with Star Fox LaFleur, only 8 tracks. So I hope in the future that Ouija Macc considers doing 3.5, 3.5 minute songs. Give me my money's worth is what I'm asking. Give me my money's worth. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tracks out of 16 that were under 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 out of 14 under 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 out of 18 tracks under 3 minutes. Bring me 3.5 minute songs as an artist. Make it worth my while to spend my hard-earned money on your CDs, please. I'm not trying to diss Ouija Macc. I'm not trying to be ugly about this. I'm just being real. Because obviously I support Ouija Macc. There's the CDs. I showed you what I have on my iTunes. So this is my unboxing for these 4 CDs I ordered. I showed you the track listing for the Waterdamage and the Trashfire because he didn't include it with these CDs. And again, I'm old school. I love my CDs and I love opening CDs and seeing the track listing, seeing the features, seeing the work you guys put into the hard work you put into CD books. And you know, give me as a fan, give me my money's worth. That's all I ask, you know. So there you go. I started off with Gutter Water, Ouija Macc, and then I just kept going. So whoop whoop. Let me know if you enjoy this video, and let me know if you appreciate the fact that I put the track listing for these two mixtapes in there. I was happy to get these CDs to add them to my CD collection and show support to Ouija Macc because I know he works his ass off. I mean, yes, he does work his ass off. I see it on social media. I see it on Twitter. I see it on YouTube. I see it on his Instagram that my wife follows. You know, he's a hard-working artist, but give me 3.5 minute songs. Give me my money's worth on these albums, please. That's all I ask. Whoop whoop, much motherfucking clown love. Yakima Juggalo out of here. Until next time.